Hello, Bladers. When was the last time your driving experience was calm? Let me guess, that happened for a few seconds then. Boom. Someone recklessly cut through your lane. What was your response? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver, as they all say. Prevention is better than cure. In this video, we will discuss on how will you prevent road rage. Here's how. Remember to always be the better person in any given scenario. You can always talk it out and solve the problem then and there. But there is also the legal but lengthier way to solve it. In the end, prevention is always better than cure. So, try to avoid the possibility of getting in a rage and you won't have to endure any of these two scenarios. Let's understand road rage. It refers to the uncontrolled anger of a motorist, usually over another motorist, causing him to feel angry and provoke an aggressive or angry response. This seems to be quite petty, especially if the motorist is quite short-tempered. Let's now compare road rage to aggressive driving. First of all, aggressive driving is a very different case compared to road rage. This term refers to a traffic offense that any driver can be guilty of, especially if they are not thinking straight. This is usually done by a driver with no intention of causing harm. Examples of aggressive driving cases are running red lights, tailgating, and speeding. So how do we prevent road rage? Drive defensively. Always. Driving properly will prevent you from being an aggressive driver. This will also prevent you from standing out in the eyes of aggressive drivers. Keep both of your hands on the wheel always. Keep your cool. Traffic can bring out the worst in us. It can really test our patience and pull our strings. That's why it's best to keep your cool and prepare your mood for the traffic ahead. If you know traffic will take more than a couple of minutes. It takes two to argue. Be the better person. A lot of the road rage and aggressive driving incidents usually involve two or more drivers. Remember to always keep calm and be courteous and polite. Try to speak slowly and show the aggressive driver that you're a reasonable person. This will prevent both parties from making a bigger wreck out of the problem. Keep your head on the road. Don't try to drive when your emotions are high. Emotionally charged situations can blind your reasoning, cloud your decision-making skills, and cause you to get easily annoyed by traffic nuisances. This could have you end up in trouble. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss road rage tips you have in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.